This tutorial shows you how to back up your Joomla site using Akeeba Backup, an extension that I have added to the sites of my clients, and this just shows them how to use that. If you don't use Akeeba on your Joomla site, you should definitely check it out. I think they also have a free version that you can download and install with some of the functions, the basic things that you need. But for my clients and for those of you who already have Akeeba set up on your site, here's how to back up your site. First, you saw I went to Components and then Akeeba Backup. We ended up here. And to back up your site, simply click on Backup Now. When you click on that, you come to where you can add a description or a comment if you want. But I just use the short description. Just use the date that it's backed up, that it puts in there, and everything's great. So I'm just going to click Backup Now. So that will start the backup process, and it's just going to run. You need to leave your browser window open while this is happening. You can go get a drink of water, a coffee or something, and just let it run. Depending on how big your site is how long it takes for your backup to complete. So I'm going to pause the video right here while this finishes, and then we'll go to then I'll show you how to download the backup that Akeeba has made so you have a backup on your computer. Okay, so that process is finished and the backup is complete, and we're greeted with this congratulations, backup completed, successful screen. If something did go wrong, every now and then something glitches out or something happens, you would get an error, and in that case, the odd time that happens to me, I just do another backup. I've never had two in a row fail on me. Now that everything is backed up, you want to download that backup to your computer so you have it stored off the server somewhere. The IslandNet, where I have websites hosted, where I design a lot of sites for them, they do ongoing backups and off-site backups of their data as well. But still, it's good for everybody to have a backup of their own site. And to get a hold of that, all you need to do is click on Manage Backups, which you can click on there, or even up on this tab. Click Manage Backups, and you'll see that I've got a bunch here that are obsolete because I only keep so many. And here's the most recent one that was done, taken today, right now. And if I want, I can download it to my computer simply by clicking on this icon. I will back up that and say okay. I just pick where it's going to go to. I'll just download it to this folder, and we'll see. There you go. It got downloaded lickety split, just quick like that, because it's really only 32 megabytes. So that's how to back up your site. Now don't forget to remember which folder that you download your backup to. But other than that, everything's good. You now have a copy of your Joomla site, the files, and the database. And if forever some bizarre reason happened that you weren't able to reach IslandNet, or something happened and you wanted to restore your website somewhere else, you would be able to do it by either following the reinstall instructions that Akeeba gives you online, or finding a competent Joomla user or designer, and they would get you going very quickly with that backup. But it's mostly just for peace of mind, because this is already backed up in so many places. I hope that's helpful, and enjoy backing up your site. God bless.